Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Lynx inside of a Windows computer, and it is very easy. First you need to go into the Windows Store and download WSL. It can be both Windows or Debian or any other Linux terminal, but it needs to be a Linux terminal. So if you download a Windows terminal, it won't work. Okay? After you download it, you need to configure it, but I won't show it now, maybe in another video. After you download and configure it, it will show a window more or less like that. And then you simply go after you install, you simply come here and now you are inside of Lynx. Um, you may notice that it doesn't make any difference if you use the window like that or if you use it full full window. Here are the keys that you may need to move into search on web, and I will press G. Now you need to enter a URL. I will go with the go.com. Now it will lead us to site, and I can enter anything I want to. Main I will search for and will work just like any other browser, like any other search engine, with the biggest difference that it don't have any image. So it's totally worthless to use it for YouTube. I'm using the arrows of my keyboard, so I go up and down. Okay. And I think I will enter this one. You just go enter, and you can see here that you need to approve the cookies. Well, firstly I used to say N for no, but sometimes it need to be allowed, so I just say yes after that. You can see here that there is a lot of this alternate, and this is basically JavaScript that the browser, the search engine don't really support. And there is, for example, this button, things like that are normally um, images that you can see obviously. Usually you need to go from the first page and go down a lot, so you can. I will click choose one and jump to the text, and it's recommended edge. Well, you normally you need to go. Look, I'm on the 8th page. You need to go down a lot so you can get to the text, to the actual text. And there is all the things you can read here. I will go back. You use the arrow and go back. You see now we are at the last page. Yeah. I want, I did go back a lot. You can use G and go, let's go for DuckDuckGo again. But now we're gonna use Wikipedia. How did you pronounce Wikipedia? Do you pronounce Wik or Vic? I know a lot of people would say Vic instead of Wik. I found it at least funny. I will allow the cookies for Wikipedia. One thing that I like a lot about Lynx is that you know exactly what you're allowing the site to do. Sites like Wikipedia and blogs are very cute to navigate with links because most of them are basically text. Let's see. Let's select this. Let's see who is Jim. Wait. Oh, here it is. Here in life and things like that. This is what I like. Text, and you can select things. You can go here and go to the link. I think it can be really helpful if you really want to read and want a browser that can make you read better without, well, JavaScript and things like that. And it's really interesting. You can print, you can go back. After that, you can search the web in a really cool way, and it can be somewhat addictive sometimes. Well, to go out, you simply press this quit, and it will show this sign. You simply say yes, and here we are at the beginning, and you can, I usually click and close the window, and that's it.